country you come from?
I'm from USA.
USA. Please come forward a little bit. May I know your name?
Hi everyone. I'm Yun.
Y-O-N, Yun. Hi, I'm Cherry, C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. If there is one thing that I love most, it is your eyes. Huh? Bisaya ko din. Anak siya taga-US siya. But before I will answer that question, for you, if you will look at my face today, what is your most favorite? Your teeth, my teeth.